latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello everyone, you're watching News9 Explainer with me Neha Bhan. In this special, we throw some light on issues that impact common man's life. Let's get started. Today's topic for the day is takeoff during COVID-19 times. After the railway services were resumed by the Indian government partially, the central government is now mulling to restart domestic flights as well. So what will flying be like during COVID-19 era? What rules will have to be followed? We explain it all for you. The government in the first leg of its easing of lockdown partially resumed the railway services, and now the government is planning to reopen flight operations as well. There are many reports suggesting that flights will resume operations post the 18th of May. This piece of information comes after Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced Lockdown 4.0, but in a new manner with fresh rules. Related information will be given before the 18th of May. The Ministry of Aviation has come up with a draft of standard operating procedures for the resumption of airlines. Do remember, the final announcement of the same is pending. Let's now talk about the draft copy of the Ministry of Civil Aviation's standard operating procedures. We did see during the railway resumption, there were enough precautionary steps taken to ensure railways do not become a carrier of COVID-19. One such step the railways took was to make the Arogya Setu app mandatory for all passengers. Similarly, it will be mandatory for all the airline passengers as well to download the Arogya Setu app. It goes without saying, face masks are mandatory and only asymptomatic passengers will be allowed entry into the airport. Given the threat COVID-19 poses, the authorities have decided that only those who show green status on the app will be allowed entry into the airport. Now, one of the most frequently asked questions is about the luggage one can carry. The passengers will be permitted to carry only one check-in baggage weighing less than 20 kgs. This is another important point I would like to stress on. Given the fact that older people are at higher risk of contracting the virus, the passengers who are above the age of 80 may not be allowed to travel. It may also be compulsory for the passengers to do web check-in, unlike ordinary times. Only passengers whose flights are scheduled for the next 6 hours will be allowed inside the airport premises. They may also have to arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before the flight departure. During COVID-19 crisis, boarding will likely begin 60 minutes prior to departure, and the gates will be shut around 20 minutes before the takeoff. If you have your hopes high on the airline food, we suggest you don't, as meal services may not be available either. Water, however, will be available in cups and bottles in the galley. Another important point worth discussing is that the last 3 rows of the aircraft will be kept empty for patients to be isolated if required. Personal protective equipment will be given to the crew to handle any such circumstance that may arise. But having said that, there is no word on the middle seat being kept empty to maintain social distance. All in all, as Prime Minister said, the post-COVID-19 era was different, and pre-COVID-19 era is going to be completely different. The faster we get used to it, the better it will be. We must take all the preventive measures to minimize the spread of infection. That's all we have in this edition of News9 Explainer for all of you. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, stay inside your houses.